Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into American Airlines account. Firstly, you have to make sure you have an account. If you do, then you may proceed. So, first of all, go to your American Airlines app. Once you open the app, you will be on the home page. You can see an arrow pointing upwards on the bottom of your screen. You can scroll up to that arrow and then you can see a list of things there. Here, you have to tap on Login, which is between Join A Advantage and A Advantage program. Once you tap on that, then you will be taken to a page where you have to enter your login credentials. However, if you do not have an account yet, then you may tap on the Join A Advantage icon, which is right below the login button on the left. If you do, then you may enter your last name on the first text box. Then you may enter your A Advantage or your username on the second. On the third, you have to enter your password. Once you made sure that you filled in your credentials correctly, then you may tap on the login button. This is how you can easily log into your American Airlines account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.